May panibagong reklamong haharapin sina resigned Congressman Zaldico at dating Senador Bong Revilla kaugnay ng mga anomalya sa flood control project. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Liza Bonzo, live mula sa DOJ headquarters sa Maynila. Liza, go ahead.
Willard, na idagdag bilang respondent sina dating Senador Bong Revilla at resigned Congressman Zaldico sa mga gumugulong na investigasyon ngayon sa Department of Justice kaugnay ng flood control scandal. Katulad ng ibang respondents, bibigyan ng pagkakataon sina Revilla at Co na magsumite ng kanilang counter affidavits para sagutin ang complaint na inihain sa kanila. Ayon sa DOJ, nanghingi ang kampo ni Revilla ng extension at binigyan nila ito ng karagdagang 5 araw.
The 2 other cases will be slightly delayed because there are additional respondents. As in fact, as we speak now, there is an ongoing preliminary investigation which is being conducted as against additional respondents. The reason for this is that initially, those who were charged in those 2 cases only involved DPWH officials. But eventually, there were pieces of evidence that were submitted by the National Bureau of Investigation, and this time it included proponents.
Sa kasalukuyan, may 5 kasong sumailalim at sumasailalim na sa preliminary investigation ng DOJ. 3 rito ay naisumite na raw for resolution. Posibleng magkaroon na ng resolution ang mga ito bago o eksaktong December 15. Bukod dito ay may karagdagan na rin kasong isinumite ang DOJ sa Office of the Ombudsman. 3 ang naisumite rito noong nakaraang linggo kung saan dawit ang ilang DPWH officials. Willard.
Maraming salamat, Liza Bonzo, nag-uulat ng live mula sa Maynila.